Hello students, today I want to discuss exercise 12.2 of chapter 12 Heron's formula. Question number 4 statement is a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and same area if the sides of a triangle are 26 cm, 28 cm and 30 cm and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 cm. Find the height of the parallelogram. In this figure, ABCD is a parallelogram with the base AB and AEB is a triangle with the base AB. Now we have given the parallelogram stands on the base 28 cm. Therefore, AB equal to 28 cm. And we are also given triangle and a parallelogram have the same base. Therefore, AB is the base of a triangle. AB is the common base of triangle and a parallelogram. AB is 28 cm, AE 26 cm, EB 30 cm. DF is the height of the parallelogram. We have to find the height of the parallelogram, that is DF. Now, in a triangle ABE, AB is the base. In a parallelogram ABCD, AB is the base. In a triangle ABE, we have let A equal to 28 cm, B equal to 30 cm, C equal to 26 cm. Now S equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, 28 plus 30 plus 26 by 2, 28 plus 30 plus 26, 84 by 2, 84 divided by 2, we get 42 cm. S equal to 42 cm, that is semi-perimeter. Now area of triangle ABE by Heron's formula. Square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is 42, 42 minus 28, 42 minus 30, 42 minus 26, 42 as it is, 42 minus 28, 14, 42 minus 30, 12, 42 minus 26, 16. We can write 42 as 2 into 3 into 7. We can write 14 as 2 into 7. We can write 12 as 2 into 2 into 3. We can write 16 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now make a pair of 2, 3 and 7. From a pair of 2 into 2, 2. 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 From a pair of 3 into 3, 3. From a pair of 7 into 7, 7. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 48, 48 into 7, 336 centimeters square. We know that area of parallelogram equal to base into height. According to question, we are given area of parallelogram equal to area of triangle. Area of parallelogram is base multiply height equal to area of triangle is 336. Base is 28 into height DF equal to 336. DF equal to 336 upon 28. 336 divided by 28 we get 12. Therefore height of the parallelogram DF equal to 12 centimeter. Question number 5 statement is a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze if each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and the longer diagonal is 48 meter. How much area of grass field will each cow be getting? Now ABCD is a rhombus. We know that each side of rhombus is equal. Therefore AB equal to 30 meter, BC equal to 30 meter, CD equal to 30 meter, DA equal to 30 meter. AC is the longer diagonal, that is 48 meter. Firstly, we shall find the area of ABC. ABCD is a quadrilateral. AC is the diagonal. In a triangle ABC, let A equal to 30 meter, B equal to 30 meter, C equal to 48 meter. Now S is semi-perimeter equal to A plus B plus C by 2. 30 plus 30 plus 48 by 2. 30 plus 30 plus 48, 108 upon 2. 108 divided by 2, we get 54. So S equal to 54 meter. That is semi-perimeter. Now area of triangle ABC by Heron's formula. Square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. 54, 54 minus 30, 54 minus 30, 54 minus 48, 54 as it is, 54 minus 30, 24, 54 minus 30, 24, 54 minus 48, 6. We can write 54 as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 24 as it is, 24 as it is. We can write 6 as 2 into 3. Now make a pair of 2, 3 and 24. From a pair of 2 into 2, 2. From a pair of 3 into 3, 3. From a pair of 3 into 3, 3. From a pair of 24 into 24, 24. 2 3 the 6, 6 3 the 18, 18 into 24, 432 meter square. Similarly, area of triangle ACD equal to 432 meter square, means ACD. This area is 432 and this area is also equal to 432 meter square. Also, area of rhombus ABCD equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. 432 plus 432 equal to 864 meter square. Therefore, the area graced by each cow, total area upon number of cows. We are given number of cows is 18 and total area is 864. Therefore, 864 divided by 18. 864 divided by 18 we get 48. Therefore 48 is your required answer. Question number 6. An umbrella is made up stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth, 2 different colors. 5 pieces are this, 5 backside. There are 2 colors used in it. One color first 5 portion and second color other 5 portion. Each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. You can see in the diagram this is 50 centimeter, this is also 50 centimeter, this is 20 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? Now answer is, here the sides of the triangle is A equal to 20 centimeter, B equal to 50 centimeter, C equal to 50 centimeter. Now S, that is semi perimeter, A plus B plus C by 2, 20 plus 50 plus 50 by 2, 50 plus 50 100, 100 plus 20 120 by 2, 120 divided by 2 we get 60. So S equal to 60 centimeter. Therefore, using Heron's formula, area of triangle is square root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. 60, 60 minus 20, 60 minus 50, 60 minus 50, 60 as it is, 60 minus 20, 40, 60 minus 50, 10, 60 minus 50, 10. We can write 60 as 3 into 20, we can write 40 as 2 into 20, 10 as it is, 10 as it is. Now make a pair of 20 and 10. From a pair of 20 into 20, 20, from a pair of 10 into 10, 10, 3 into 2 is as it is in the square root. 20 into 10, 200, square root of 6 centimeter square. Area of one triangular piece 200 square root of 6 centimeter square. Area of 10 triangular pieces 200 square root of 6 into 10. 200 into 10, 2000 square root of 6 centimeter square. Hence area of the cloth of each color 2000 square root of 6 over 2, because there are 2 colors used in it. 2000 divided by 2 we get 1000 square root of 6 centimeter square. Now question number 9, last question is, a field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Now you can see that in the diagram ABCD is a trapezium. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. In a trapezium, we know that 2 sides are parallel and 2 sides are non-parallel. Let DC equal to 10 meter, AB equal to 25 meter, and AD equal to 13 meter, and BC equal to 14 meter. AD and BC are non-parallel sides. DC and AB are parallel sides. We are given parallel sides 10 and 25. Therefore, DC equal to 10 meter and AB equal to 25 meter. We are given non-parallel sides are 13 meter and 14 meter. Therefore, AD equal to 13 meter and BC equal to 14 meter. We have to find the area, this area of trapezium. We know that area of trapezium is 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into height. Firstly, we shall find the height of the trapezium. Let CG is a perpendicular on AB. CG is the height of the trapezium. Draw CF is parallel to AD. Because AD equal to 13 meter, therefore CD equal to CF equal to 13 meter. I repeat, draw CF parallel to AD. Because we have given AD equal to 13 meter, therefore CF equal to 13 meter. Now DC we have given 10 meter. If DC equal to 10 meter, then AF is also 10 meter. Now we have FB. AB is 25 meter and AF is 10 meter. 25 minus 10. FB, that is 15 meter. ABCD is a trapezium. AB and CD are parallel sides. AD and BC are non-parallel sides. DC equal to 10 meter, AB equal to 25 meter, AD 13 meter, BC 14 meter. To find area of the trapezium ABCD. Construction: draw CF parallel AD and CG perpendicular AB. Answer is in a quadrilateral ADCF. ADCF. CF is parallel AD, CF parallel AD, and CD parallel AF. CD parallel AF. Therefore, ADCF is a parallelogram. We know that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Therefore, CD equal to AF. Therefore, CD equal to AF. Therefore, AF equal to 10 meter and AD equal to CF. AD equal to CF. AD, therefore, CF equal to 13 meter. Now, BF equal to AB minus AF. BF equal to AB minus AF. 25 minus 10, 15 meter. BF equal to 15 meter. In a triangle BFC, A equal to 13 meter, B equal to 14 meter, C equal to 15 meter. Now S, that is semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C by 2, 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2, 13 plus 14 plus 15, 42 over 2, 42 divided by 2, we get 21. S equal to 21 meter. Area of triangle BFC by Heron's formula, square root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is 21, 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15, 21 as it is, 21 minus 13, 8, 21 minus 14, 7, 21 minus 15, 6. We can write 21 as 3 into 7, we can write 8 as 2 into 2 into 2, 7 as it is, we can write 6 as 2 into 3. Now make a pair of 2, 3 and 7, from a pair of 2 into 2, 2, from a pair of 2 into 2, 2, from a pair of 3 into 3, 3, from a pair of 7 into 7, 7, 2 to the 4, 4, 3 the 12, 12, 7 the 84. 84 meter square is a area of triangle. Now area of triangle BCF equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. 84 equal to 1 by 2 into BF into CG. 84 equal to 1 by 2, BF is 15 into CG. 84 equal to 15 by 2 into CG. 84 into reciprocal of 15 by 2 is 2 by 15 equal to CG. 3 5 the 15. 84 divided by 3 we get 28. 28 into 2 56 by 5 meter equal to CG. Area of trapezium ABCD 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into height. 1 by 2 into DC plus AB equal to CG. 1 by 2 into DC is 10, AB is 25 into CG. CG is 56.5, 56 by 5. 1 by 2 into 25 plus 10, 35 into 20, 56 by 5. 5 1 the 5, 5 7 the 35, 2 1 the 2, 56 divided by 2, 28. 28 into 7, 196 meter square. Therefore, area of trapezium is 196 meter square. 196 meter square is your required answer. Thank you.